The COVID-19 pandemic hit global supply chains, delaying packages of multi-billion-dollar corporations. Then a ship named Evergreen found itself stuck in the Suez Canal, and the wait for our beloved packages got longer and longer. Could anything be worse? Where to then must we look for solace and a workable solution? Your audience may or not be aware, but blockchain is already being integrated and wedded to the supply chain infrastructure. Grow with the technology as it transforms business. Access the comprehensive training deck on blockchain in supply chain management. With these PowerPoint template empowered with the right visuals, educate the trainees on supply chain management, its development process, KPIs, key statistics, and more. Next up is the new technology, blockchain. How does it work and what are its benefits? Answer all your team's questions using this ready-to-use PowerPoint deck. Download this training deck on blockchain in supply chain management to integrate this technology in your own supply routes. Showcase how supply chain and blockchain work together to solve issues in traditional distribution channels and make the ends meet. Use this PowerPoint template to help your audience understand the comparison between traditional and blockchain-based supply chain management with a case study like food industry. Incorporate this PowerPoint template to examine and decide which blockchain type suits your requirements, and finally, we present the 7 steps in BT that you must put in place for your SCM implementation process. This ready-to-use PowerPoint template also showcases a few companies that are using blockchain as a solution to manage their supply chain. We dedicate some time to understanding BaaS, what it is, the main takeaways, and its leading providers such as IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon. Access this content-ready training deck on blockchain in supply chain management right away and be a part of the future. Wait! This presentation is not over yet. Showcase how the technology will be implemented in phases over a year in quarters, and the activities that accompany this execution. The execution phases include platform selection, identification and setting goals, developing a POC, proof of concept, and so on. With a brief revision of the training, we finish it with some key takeaways and a small test to remember what was learned. Download this training deck on blockchain in supply chain management now from the link below, or visit www.slideteam.net for more premium category presentations. Understand blockchain itself and its many applications in several sectors.